channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today is Fallback Friday, and y'all already know what that means. If you don't, what I do here on Fridays is pull out an old eyeshadow palette that we may have in our collection or a palette that is similar and create a look. We want to utilize those makeup products that we already have in our collection rather than keep spending this coin. Needless to say, if you want to see how I got this look using an oldie but a goodie Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, then make sure you keep on watching. This palette is like that everyday, like that go-to sultry glam, soft glam. If you want to wear one color, two, however many colors you want to do out of this palette, that's this palette, okay? So I cannot like declutter this from my collection at all. It is a little bit messy, but this is what the inside of mine looks like. Starting out with orange soda to place all over the lid. I remember when this palette first was dropping, I was like, okay, I have to get this palette. At the time, I was like, you know, palettes are a true commitment if you're not like doing your makeup all the time. If you just do like one or two colors, you'll be like, okay, what's the point of me getting the whole palette if I'm only gonna use two colors? So, but for a palette like this, it is definitely like that everyday type of palette. You can do so many different things. A lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, honestly, are like top tier for me when it comes to like just them making sense, like use it on an everyday basis. You know, if you're not into like those bright colors all the time, if you're into like those everyday, you know, just natural looks. Taking the same brush and I'm just placing the next shade, which is called Burnt Orange. And that burnt orange shade is right here. Comment down below if you have this palette in your collection. Keep in mind, Sephora sale is, you know, going on right now. You guys are seeing this on the first day. So if you're Rouge, then you can go ahead and get 20% off of any of the products that I'm talking about today. So that is on the lid. All right, so I think I want to do something just gold and brown today, something simple today. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here, and I'm gonna place it on the outer corner. I'm actually gonna place this all over the lid. So y'all, we are going bold with these throwback Fallback Friday videos. Just step out of our comfort zone. Use the palettes in a way that you never thought you would use it. So this brown actually is coming off a little bit black on me, but we're gonna blend this out. Going back into orange soda that we use at the top and just buff this out at the top so it's not looking like, girl, what happened? And so with my finger, I'm gonna take, let's see. I'm gonna take glistening and I'm gonna place that in the middle. And just place it right in the middle of that. Going back into the brown to make this a little bit deeper and just to bring everything together. But in here, I think I'm gonna go in with this sultry shade right here. And let me take a smaller brush. So I think I want to lighten up the front a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this lighter pink, which is this rose pink shade, and I'm gonna place that in the front of the eye. Palette does have a little bit of fallout, but this is gonna be the look that we're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on and then we're gonna come back and finish the face. Lashes are on. Let's go into the face. So for primer, I'm gonna go in with this Milk Makeup Primer, Hydro Grip Primer. It's been a minute since I used this and I figured I'll use it again. For foundation, I'm going to go in with this NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I have an entire video here on my channel. If you want to see the full review, check it out. But I still like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. It is what it says, Soft Glam. So that's a plus. Put a little bit of this down here. I'm going in with this Kosas concealer just because it's a little bit deeper for down at the bottom. I don't know what is happening. I don't know. I'm just getting too light. I'm not in the sun that much. The shade that I'm into this foundation is Syracuse. And that's all my shades except for the soft matte one. That's the only one that is not Syracuse. That one is in the shade Tahoe. And if I was to try that now, it's a little bit too deep. So, all right, so that's the foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Kosas. I'm actually running out of this. This is a really good concealer. I'm gonna mix this Kosas one along with the NARS Radiant. I cannot find my other shade, but this is in the medium 1.5 macadamia. I know I have another shade, but I can't find it right now. So we're gonna go in with this and make this work. This looks really good on the skin. Really good. All right, so I'm gonna set this with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and translucent honey. I'm actually running out, and this is actually, make sure you stay tuned for the Sephora video. All right, so this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy soft glam makeup look using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills for this Fallback Friday. Let me know your thoughts down below on the look. Let me know your thoughts on this particular palette. Do you still have it in your collection? Let me know down below. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.